February 25 is declared a special working day, and I think it is the prerogative of the President. And when we say special working day, still, there is encouragement to people to commemorate, to join any event, and it will not hinder any activity to commemorate the EDSA People Power.
But isn't this an effort, ma'am, from Malacanang para kasi yung mga critics sinasabi na gusto nang burahin yung part na to ng history ng bansa?
Okay, again, yan na naman ay kanilang mga opinion sa mga balak na tumuligsa sa Pangulo at sa pamahalaan. Unang-una, isipin po natin, mayroon po bang pinahinto ang Pangulo na anumang activity na patungkol dito sa commemoration ng EDSA People? Since the time po na siya ay naging Pangulo, wala po tayong nadinig na anumang pagpapahinto ng anumang events, any activities na maaaring mag-commemorate ng nasabing event. And at the same time, pansinin po natin paano po mabubura ang history. History is history. So hindi po kakayanin po lang ng presidente na ito ay mabura sa ating history.
Isn't this undermining the gains of the EDSA revolution and diminishing its spirit and essence?
No, I don't think so. We don't think so. Why? Sabi ko nga po kanina, if there is the intention to erase the memories of EDSA People Power, ibang klaseng pamamaraan ang gagawin. As a matter of fact, we declared it as a special working day, but it is considered just a regular working day. But what's the purpose of a special working day? It's to encourage people to join any event kung kanilang kailangang i-commemorate ang isang affair.